My name's Baheta. I served in the Marine Corps for 22 years. I officially retired as of 1 October 2019. And right now I am a program manager with Northrop Grumman. VetCTAP made my transition a lot more easier. As you know, doing 20 plus years in the service and getting out could be a little bit stressful getting out, finding a job, make sure you can still support your family, and they made that transition real easy for me. I think the thing that helped the most during the transition from VetCTAP is, that it helped calm a lot of my fears. There's a lot of unknowns when you're getting out or retiring out of the military, so they helped me understand what it was like, what it's going to be like. So before the program, I was really nervous, a little, uneased. Served 22 years in the Marine Corps and I joined when I was 18. So I didn't know what to expect. So, when you don't know what's lying ahead of you, you get a little nervous. So afterwards, built my confidence and, helped me secure a great job. And, it's been going great. Yeah, I definitely recommend VetCTAP to other veterans. And I've recommended to a lot of veterans, because I know they will go through the same things that I've went through, right? So, preparing transition out into the civilian workforce, not knowing what to expect, a lot of uncertainty, being nervous about the job market, and VetCTAP definitely helps you build your skills and calms your nerves and gets you ready to transition into that civilian workforce. Keep recommending it to other vets who have not gone through the program and who are about to transition out. So just keep charging forward and keep helping veterans.